Hey guys, welcome back. And today's video is a weekend vlog in my life. So you're gonna see a little bit of cleaning, a little bit of home improvement, a little bit of shopping, just a regular weekend in my life. If you follow me on Instagram, then you know that I usually get my hair done Friday mornings, and a lot of you were like, why do you do your hair to do cleaning? Well, that's just me. I like to go Fridays because it saves me time on spending a whole Saturday at the salon. Anyways, here I'm just putting new clean sheets into the guest room and giving this room a nice little pick-me-up, making sure it's nice and clean. It's not being used at the moment, but I always like to have this space nice and clean. I moved to cleaning Jaden's bathroom. I'm just putting things away where they belong, and then I go ahead and spray the tub with some Dawn power wash. I love this stuff. You guys, it just cleans everything. Here I'm just cleaning the toilet with some Clorox bathroom foam, and let's get to cleaning.
The sun is going down now. Been at it for a while, and I have had enough of this. I doubt that we can solve it. Been trying for so long, and I just can't.
For me, it's also multitasking, so I'm also doing laundry at the same time that I'm cleaning the house, and why not? It saves me time. And here I'm just finishing up cleaning Jaden's counter, and we should be almost done with this bathroom.
You try. Do you know I'm looking and I can't help but smile? Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song.
I moved to give Jaden's room a nice pickup and put everything where it belongs. Don't ask me how my hair extensions ended up in there, but they're there. I'm just putting clothes away, clean clothes, and just picking up. He doesn't sleep in his room yet, you guys, so my goal is to finish this room before he starts school. That way he could start sleeping here. That's the goal.
Together, if I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can't always stay.
And let's move on to clean my bathroom. The first thing that I like to do is vacuum the area really well because it's usually full of hair. My hair is falling like crazy, you guys. Then I go ahead with the Dawn power wash and spray the top, and then I start moving things out of the shower and I'm spraying it with the Clorox bathroom cleaner. This is like a foam type of thing, and it did a really good job at cleaning everything, but I do have to say that it makes a strong smell, which it creates like a little gas. And mind you, I didn't even mix it with anything, so I didn't really love that.
Dance around, I can't help but feeling. I'm just loving this moment.
And now the shower is nice and clean. Look, all the stains are gone, all the yellow stains. I am a happy person right now.
Together, if I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can't always stay here forever, 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 forever. I'm loving this moment.
Hey guys, I'm here cleaning the counter. Never spray Clorox products on your marble. I did it just because mine were a little dirty and I just wanted to have them real nice and clean, but I don't usually do this, just putting that out there so you guys know. Once in a blue moon, it's not gonna damage your marble, but if you do it on a daily, it will damage the stone. Using Sprayed Away or Sprayway, I forgot the name of it, I will link it down below, to clean my mirrors and also my glass shower doors. It's like the best thing ever. Once I'm done with that, I go ahead and map my floors, and you guys know that I put a little bit of Clorox and Fabuloso on my first water to scrub the floors nice and clean, and it usually works, and then I rinse with clean water. Now I'm gonna map the rest of the space, like the hallway, the guest room, Jaden's bathroom, and I should be done for the day. I'm not gonna clean downstairs because we're still doing the construction on the fireplace.
Be your light. I'll be your light.
So guys, we're headed to dinner now. Say hi, babe. So we're gonna go grab a bite and a few drinks to release some stress because it's been a stressful week for me. And yeah, so we're headed to eat something. I don't even know where we're going, right?
City Play.
Oh, we're going to City Place. But yeah. Yeah, guys, I will catch up with you and show you when we get to the restaurant. I am super starving because I first went to the hair salon this morning to get my hair done. I did, hair color for my braids and all of that. And then, believe it or not, who does their hair too clean? Katie does. And then I started cleaning the house and working from home until 4:30. And then now we're just gonna take a break from all of that, and we will continue tomorrow. That's our life pretty much. But yeah, I'll catch you up when we get to the restaurant. So we went to this restaurant called Brimstone. We got some appetizers, some yummy drinks, and of course some dinner. And I was just relaxing, enjoying myself. I got this penne with shrimp. It was so delicious, you guys. Okay, let's not forget the dessert. This was yum. Morning, the contractor came to clean the door to remove those stains, and then we started working on my bedroom. I am so excited to show you this transformation. Here's the before of how my bedroom looks right now. We're gonna go ahead and close that window, and then I'm gonna show you when everything is done. Hey guys, so we are now on the way to Ikea, and it's Saturday. Jaden, say hi. Hi. See, where are we going? He's saying we're going bowling, but we're gonna first stop in Ikea and get some stuff for Jaden's room so we can finish that space as well, and some organization, storage, stuff that I need for his area. And then we're gonna go back home, and hopefully this heat will go down a little bit because it's so hot today, and Jonathan will paint the trim around the door and all of that. So we'll see you guys when I get to Ikea. What, you're not doing it? Or we started shopping, we got some food at Ikea, and then we didn't record anything behind the scenes because Ikea is usually so packed, you guys. So we got what we needed and we headed home. Came back from Ikea, there was no window any longer. Look at that, you guys. I am so happy. I know you don't see it, but wait until this room is finished. It's gonna look so much better and it's gonna be more functional for us. So the hubby went outside to start prepping for paint, to paint the outside of the door. Remember how it looks all funny? So he was gonna fix that. So that's what he was doing. And my contractor was finally installing my office door. I am so ready to give that space a home makeover. It looks so bad right now, but it will get better. The master room, we moved the bed so I could see where I wanted the TV because we're changing where the TV was, and we're gonna move the dresser as well. So here's what the hubby and my stepdad are doing, just doing the installation for where the TV is gonna go. And this is pretty much how things are looking right now. So stay tuned, you guys, because we're gonna do a whole makeover on this space. Aiden's room, we put a smart switch so it could work with Alexa, and then the hubby was building his little storage unit that we got for Ikea. Guys, that was it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're not part of the family. I will see you all on the next one. God bless.